In today's video, we are diving into the top 15 best romantic comedy Turkish plots, all with English subtitles. Number 1. Ayne Ayne. This Turkish comedy series explores the ups and downs of modern relationships through the lives of Nil and Emir, later Deniz, offering a humorous yet realistic take on love, compromise, and gender dynamics. Nil is lively and optimistic, while Emir Deniz is more grounded, creating an engaging contrast that fuels the couple's amusing interactions. The show starts off strong, especially in the first 2 seasons, with clever situational comedy, heartfelt moments, and relatable relationship scenarios that many viewers found both entertaining and insightful. The chemistry between the lead actors, particularly Nilperi and Uraj, was widely praised, with many fans feeling the show lost its charm after Kerem Bürsin took over the male lead. While some of you might appreciated Kerem's unique acting style, others might criticize performance as awkward and misfit for the tone of the series. As the seasons progressed, especially by the third and fourth, complaints about declining humor, repetitive plots, and weaker writing became more common. Still, for those who enjoy light, romantic comedies with quirky storytelling, the early seasons remain a delightful watch. Number 2. Aslan Elim. This series followed the lion family, living happily on their ranch for 30 years, faces turmoil when Burcu, a wealthy university student, arrives claiming ownership of their home. Vedat, a farmer, and his wife Hatice, along with their 4 sons Gerrit, Murat, Umut, and Mutlu, must navigate this unexpected challenge. Burcu, whose life is turned upside down by her father's corruption scandal and subsequent disappearance, discovers she owns the ranch and demands the family leave. The family's peaceful existence is threatened as they confront Burcu's claims and try to maintain their home and way of life. Aslan Elim is a light-hearted Turkish comedy with a strong family theme, featuring humorous and enduring characters. While the show offers plenty of laughs and heartfelt moments, some characters feel overdone, and the filming quality improves gradually. Akin Akinozu's performance stands out, though the chemistry between lead characters can be lacking at times. Number 3. Early Birds. Sanem, a cheerful girl, works at a grocery shop and aspires to be a writer. Her life takes a turn unfolds as Sanem and John's paths cross in this romantic comedy. According to me, Early Birds is an absolute delight that has captivated me with its fresh take on romantic comedy. The lead actors, John and Sanem, have an electrifying chemistry that makes every episode a joy to watch. Number 4. Firefly. Firefly, Atis Bosiji, tells the story of Baris, who is a very successful, attractive, divorce lawyer, who don't believe in true love, and Asli, who is a beautiful young girl, who is full of life, intelligent, and entertaining, but must work as a taxi driver to help her family. Her family members and close friends call her Firefly. Both of them meet after a tragic accident case caused by Bari's nephew, Hakan, but later found that his nephew is innocent. In short, this show is full of comedy, romance and fun, with a spice of thrill and mystery. It is one of my favorite Turkish series. Number 5. Aysimizden Biri. Havva, a research assistant at the university, lives a comfortable life in Marmaris with her traditional Muslim family. And Adam, the son of an Irish Catholic pastor, has Turkish and Irish citizenship and works alongside Havva as a research assistant. Despite their different backgrounds, Adam instantly falls in love with Havva and they begin a secret relationship, aware that their families would not approve. After 2 years of dating, they decide to marry but face the challenge of convincing their families. Adam goes to great lengths, including converting religions and rejecting his own traditions, but their struggle continues, causing hardship for both Havva and him. In short, Aysimizden Biri is struggling love story of 2 lovers Havva and Adam, who belongs to totally different religious background. Number 6. Hangimit Sevmedik. Hangimit Sevmedik is a heartfelt romantic drama set in a close-knit neighborhood where childhood sweethearts Tariq and ITR secretly marry to escape the long-standing feud between their families. Their parents, Adile and Munir, harbor a bitter rivalry rooted in their past, preventing any reconciliation. The plot thickens as political unrest in Turkey complicates their plans, leading to unexpected twists. The series cleverly intertwines the lives of the new generation with the unresolved conflicts of their parents. When Tariq and ITR return home after their marriage, they unknowingly bring their families closer together, while also reigniting old flames of resentment. As they navigate their love amidst family tensions, the story explores themes of love, hate, and the enduring bonds of family. With a nostalgic touch and a tribute to the rich storytelling of classic Turkish cinema, the series captivates viewers with its mix of humor and drama. The dynamic between the characters, especially the misunderstandings fueled by their parents' histories, adds layers of complexity to the narrative. As Tariq and ITR fight for their love, they must also confront the past, leading to a journey filled with laughter, tears, and unexpected surprises. Number 7. Dolunay. Full Moon or Dolunay follows the story of Najli, a cheerful and aspiring young chef, who takes a part-time job as a private chef for the disciplined and serious businessman, Ferit. Initially unaware of each other's identity, they are drawn to one another, but their relationship becomes complicated when Ferit misunderstands Najli's intentions. Even though this show starts strong with a well-paced plot and humorous moments, making it enjoyable to watch. However, I have some disappointment with the ending, feeling it lacked the same spark as the rest of the series. But overall, it's a charming romance with great performances, particularly from the talented young actor Bullet, and the chemistry between Ken Yaman and Ozge Gurel leaves a lasting impression on me as a viewer. Number 8. Love Logic Revenge. Love Logic Revenge follows Isra, who marries Ozan for financial stability but faces hardship when he quits his job to pursue his dreams. Exhausted, Isra gets a divorce after suffering a miscarriage. Years later, she discovers Ozan has become a successful CEO while she struggles. Seeking acknowledgement for her sacrifices, Isra plans revenge by making Ozan fall in love with her again. She becomes an intern at his company, Millennium Soft. As Isra and Ozan reconnect, complications arise when Ozan's friend, Chinar, enters the picture. Will Isra's revenge plan succeed, and will love be rekindled between Isra and Ozan? Number 9. Love Trap, 2020. Love Trap tells the love-hate story of Aisha and Kareem, which is full of comedy and romance. Kareem is a good-looking womanizer and belongs from a rich family, who also owns a big textile company. Whereas Aisha is a beautiful girl, working in Kareem's textile factory. After betrayal from her lover, Aisha gets confused and tricks Kareem into a fake relationship and marriage to shake things up. But things get crazy when both of them started to have feeling for each other. Number 10. Benim Tatlı Yalanim, My Sweet Lie. My Sweet Lie is a heartwarming Turkish drama with an engaging story and lovable characters. Highly recommended for its family-friendly and entertaining nature. It is a story about Nejat, who is a successful businessman, and raising his daughter, Kaira, after his wife left them. He's been sending letters from a made-up Africa story to his daughter. As Kaira's 6th birthday approaches, she believes her mom is coming back, so Nejat faces a dilemma. Meanwhile, Suna, a young girl with dreams of renovating her family's coffee house, encounters Nejat while trying to save her own family's coffee house. Misunderstandings arise, and Suna ends up at Nejat's home. Kaira thinks Suna is her mom, leading to a complex situation where Nejat and Suna must make a decision about what to do next. It is an interesting story to watch. Number 11. More Beautiful Than You. Senden Daha Güzel is an awesome series, where we see Cenre Basil playing the lead role of Efsun, who works as a dermatologist, lives peacefully on the farm with her father in a village in Gaziantep. Her mother left her and her father at a young age and moved to Istanbul and became one of Turkey's most important plastic surgeons. Efsun suddenly receives news from her mother, whom she has not seen since she was 12 years old. Her mother is on her deathbed and wants to see her one last time. She invites Efsun to Istanbul by sending her driver. Efsun, who goes to Istanbul to see her mother, is in for a big surprise. Her mother, the owner of the largest aesthetic clinic in Istanbul, asks Efsun to work in the clinic and forces her to do so. As if all this is not enough, Emir, who she thinks is a driver, is actually the son of her mother's partner Kaya Bey. Emir, a handsome and charismatic surgeon, thinks that Efsun has come to take the clinic away from him and starts a fight with Efsun. Moreover, these young people are neighbors. Number 12. Emergency Love. Emergency Love follows Sinan, a peaceful doctor, whose life takes a turn when Nisan, a clumsy cheerful girl, becomes his hospital assistant and neighbor. Their world gets topsy-turvy as Sinan's sister Ayla joins them, becoming his housemate. Amidst comedic chaos, Nisan's adjustment to city life and Sinan's daily routine collide. The show captures their unique camaraderie and clashes in the hospital and at home. As Nisan's past looms, the trio faces challenges and unexpected bonds. Can Nisan embrace her new life? Will Sinan and Nisan find common ground? The series blends humor, romance, and personal growth. Number 13. Love for Rent. Love for Rent is a Turkish romantic comedy series that follows the story of Defne, a waitress who lives a simple life with her grandmother, brother, and little sister. When her brother is taken by the mafia for his debt, Defne has to find a large sum of money in 24 hours to save him. Omar, a young CEO, meets Defne at the restaurant where she works and pretends to be her boyfriend to escape an arranged date. When Omar's aunt-in-law Neriman sees them together, she proposes an offer to Defne to work as Omar's personal assistant, make him fall in love with her, and get married to him within 6 months. Defne accepts the offer to save her brother, but complications arise as she falls in love with Omar. The show features a mix of romance, comedy, and drama as Defne navigates her new challenging life while keeping her true intentions hidden. Number 14. Bizim Hikaye. Our story, Bizim Hikaye, is a Turkish adaptation of the American series Shameless. It follows Failes, a young girl responsible for her 5 siblings due to her absent mother. Failes works multiple jobs, cares for her family, and copes with her alcoholic father. She becomes both mother and father to her siblings. When she meets Baris, a handsome and wealthy young man who's drawn to her strength, he wants to gain her trust and heart. The show explores Failes' challenges, Baris' determination, and the potential for a normal life despite their differences. The series delves into Failes' struggles to care for her siblings while navigating her own desires and relationships. Number 15. Indina Aşk. Indina Aşk follows Defne, a bright computer engineer from the Black Sea region, begins her first day at Aras Technology, where she immediately clashes with the charming yet infuriating CEO, Yalin. After a series of misunderstandings, including a playful encounter where Yalin disguises his identity, Defne, feeling humiliated, resigns. Meanwhile, her brother Çınar complicates things further by falling for Yalin's sister, Yesim, creating an awkward connection between their families. As Yalin tries to apologize for his initial behavior, Defne struggles with her job challenges and her brother's overprotectiveness. The tension between Defne and Yalin gradually shifts as they face their stubbornness and undeniable chemistry. Amidst the chaos of family dynamics and workplace antics, will love bloom between the two, or will their differences keep them apart? Indina Aşk captivates with its hilarious chemistry between leads Can Yaman and Arcelia Topaloglu, bringing charm and laughter to a romantic comedy setting. While the series features entertaining moments and well-executed comedic timing, many viewers express frustration over its abrupt ending, leaving unresolved storylines and character arcs. Still, the strong performances, particularly Yalin's sweet nature and Defne's comedic flair, make it worth watching. even if viewers wish for a more satisfying conclusion. Overall, a fun ride that could have benefited from a proper final. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And if you love romantic twists, make sure to check out our next video on the best romantic Turkish series. You won't want to miss it.